Welcome! Today, you'll learn exactly how to create Discord events on your mobile device, updated for 2025. If you want to schedule movie nights, community hangouts, or gaming sessions, Discord's event feature makes it easy to organize and invite your server members. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. Head over to the server where you want to host your event. At the top of your screen, tap either the three dots or the server's name. This brings up your server options. Now, look for the option labeled Create Event. Sometimes you'll see a + icon or a button that says Create Event. Tap on it to begin setting up your event. Next, Discord will ask you to choose the event type. You can pick from a voice channel, a text channel, an external link, or even an in-person event. Select the option that best fits your event's needs. After you've chosen the event type, it's time to fill in the event details. Enter a clear name for your event, then set the date and time. Make sure to add a description so everyone knows what to expect. You can also add a cover image to make your event stand out. Once you've double-checked all your details and you're happy with how everything looks, tap Create. Your event is now scheduled. Discord will automatically generate an event link that you can share with your server members. Anyone interested can RSVP, and Discord will send them a reminder before the event starts. That's it. Your event is live and ready to go. You can always edit or cancel the event later by tapping on it and selecting the appropriate option. Now you're all set to bring your community together with scheduled events right from your phone. Thanks for watching, and happy event planning on Discord.